In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email in Systeme.io. We'll be walking through the simple process of adding a new contact email inside your Systeme.io account. And I'll also point out the fields that matter most so you can keep your contact list organized from the start. First, begin from your Systeme.io dashboard. This is your main control area where you can access all of the core tools in your account. Once you're there, look for the CRM section in the main menu and click on it. CRM is where Systeme.io stores and manages your contacts, so this is the right place to go anytime you want to add or update a person in your list. After opening CRM, click on Contacts. This will take you to the full contacts area where you can see existing entries and create new ones. From there, click on Create Contact to open the contact creation form. Now you'll be ready to enter the email information. In the form, type in the email address for the new contact. The email field is the only strictly required field, so if you only have the email address right now, you can still create the contact successfully. However, if you have more information available, this is a good time to add it. You can fill in details such as first name, last name, street address, street number, neighborhood, postal code, city, state or province, country, phone number, company name, tax number, and language. A helpful tip here is to add as much accurate information as you reasonably have, especially if you plan to segment your audience later or personalize your communication. Even though those extra fields are optional, they can be very useful for organization and future follow-up. Next, scroll down to the tags section and add the appropriate tag for this contact. This is a very important part of the process. In Systeme.io, comma tags help you organize your contacts and can also be used to trigger automated email sequences. So if this person belongs to a specific group, campaign, or stage in your workflow, make sure you choose the tag that matches that purpose. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That will create the contact and add the email to your Systeme.io contact list. And that's it. You've successfully added an email in Systeme.io. If you want cleaner organization and better automation later, make sure you don't skip the tagging step because that's what really helps your email system work efficiently.